Okay, sweet. Let's go, boys. It's your boy Cletus and Danny with Aloha Junkman. About to do a fridge clean, fridge clean out.
Dude,
Yeah.
heavy.
What do we got in here?
Some
Oh, spinach artichoke dip.
feel good.
Oh, some poi.
Gosh.
What is that? Are those beets?
Is it?
Oh, they're onions. Bringing me to tears.
Oh, look at all the juice in there. Heavy. Oh gosh. Oh my god, bro.
Dude, that's milk
I can't.
in there.
I can't. I'm gonna. Bro, that smell is gnarly.
I can't smell it. I can just know it. I just know what it smells like. Oh, wow. Burger for 4th of July. Oh my gosh. Don't know what this is.
I think I'm gonna yak.
We got salsa. For
It'd
the
be
chip.
still good.
Wait, what's in the bag?
Oh, big cockroach. Watch out.
Where?
Oh.
I think that was Kahlo. Oh, you're right. One musubi from 7-Eleven.
From 1948.
Oh wait, no, dude, that was eye
bro.
roll.
What is it?
Oh. What are those? Oh, celery sticks.
They're orange.
They're orange. Okay, last one, last menu. Or last one on the menu. Greek yogurt.
Chobani.
Okay. It's like I'm not breathing through my nose, but it's like I can. I don't know. It's like I know what it like smells like.
Don't even. Oh my goodness, bro. Hold on. Bro.
Doing good. Okay, if you need a full fridge clean out, you know who to call. The boys at the Aloha Junkman. 808-940-0809. Yes, sir.